Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you again how to make carrot juice adding apple to it. I love this particular juice. I don't joke with it. I make my carrot juice almost every week. So today I will be extracting my carrot juice and also extracting apple juice. Having these two together, their health benefits are so much to mention. And again, I'm going to add ginger juice. I have one lemon which I'm going to extract the juice and add to the carrot juice. That will take the taste to another level. Whenever you are making your carrot juice or whenever you are making your natural juice, make sure you have your ginger and also have your lemon. That will give it a better taste. And when you are used to it, you will never make your natural juice without having ginger and lemon. I'm going to talk about few health benefits of this juice. Carrot promotes healthy vision. It balances blood sugar levels. It is also great for weight management. Carrot might lower cancer risk. Carrot supports immunity and many more. And when you talk about apple are very good source of fibers and antioxidants. It improves heart health and lower risk of cancer and diabetes. Ginger helps with digestion. It helps prevent inflammation and various types of infection because of the antioxidants and other nutrients in it. Lemon contains about 50 milligrams of vitamin C, which is over half the amount of vitamin C needed in our daily diet. So many health benefits to mention. These four combinations are so loaded with so many health benefits which are not mentioned here. You can do more research about apple, carrot, ginger and lemon, and I know you are going to love it. You can serve it chilled or take it immediately after extracting the juice. So the one in the bottle, I'm going to refrigerate it, and while I consume the one in the glass cup immediately. First thing in the morning is how I like taking mine. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my video whenever I post. Also remember to turn on the notification bell button so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. We will meet again in my next video. Bye.